Hey, Zach here with Savage Traveling. I'm out here at Flagler Beach today in beautiful sunny Florida. I came down here to do a little bit of beaching and surf fishing. Finished all that up, but there's something interesting down here on the beach that I wanted to show you guys. It's a turtle nesting season here on the Atlantic coast, I guess, probably other places too. But down here, there are, I don't know if you can see it through there or not, there it is. See the 4 stakes in the thing? Those are all turtle nests. We're gonna walk down there and check them out real quick. Pretty neat. Welcome to our peaceful beach. Yeah, this is Flagler. Probably just a little farther that way, but it's Flagler. But 1, 2, I see 4 or 5 there, and there's at least that many here. So we're gonna look them up. But this is the first time I've seen these when I've been down here, so I thought it was pretty neat. Very cool. It's a beautiful day out here. I'll take it out. I ran out of shrimp or out of kept fishing. Caught a stingray, a saltwater cat, and then some like little baby fish. Good times. Oh, this is a big one. So I'm guessing they just come out here when they're nesting, and then that's how they know where they are. Adopted by Holly Bonamo. Heck yeah. Yeah, there was a lady on a 4-wheeler driving by earlier that was, it said sea turtle patrol on it. Her and another woman were, I guess they drive up and down the beach and monitor them. There were some dolphins earlier. I don't know what you can see. Some birds out there now flying around, doing dives and stuff. I don't know if we can see that. I can barely see anything. There's a large one. I'd love to be here when they lay and then when they hatch. Oh my gosh, that would be awesome. I need to find out when they hatch. Oh, I'll try to do that. And I'll put it in this video because that'd be awesome to be able to see that. Yeah, they're just, you know, wherever down here on the beach. And they're doing their best to keep them safe. So that's a good. I guess I'll just walk back up this and walk back down to my car. But yeah. I thought that was interesting stuff, guys. So I figured I'd make a quick video about it. But right on. This is Zach with Savage Traveling down here on the Atlantic coast, checking out the sea turtles. Peace.